this entire area is called the seat area. Now, if we come to the left, you can see these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So this numbers or this area, all these numberings are called the rows. Now Excel rows run horizontally from left to right and are identified by numbers along the left side of the worksheet. Now every single spreadsheet has exactly 10,48,576 rows. Now again, when we come to the upper side of this sheet area, we can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G and all these letters. So these are called columns. In Excel, a column is a vertical set of data denoted by letters at the top of the worksheet. There are 16,384 columns in a single Excel spreadsheet, spanning from A to except D. Now, this small box, which I had also referred earlier, it is called a cell. An Excel cell is the fundamental building block of a spreadsheet. It is the rectangular box created by the intersection of a column and a row. Each cell holds a single piece of information such as numbers, text, data or formulas. Now in this video you can see that I am selecting some of the cells together. So this selection is called a cell range. You can do this just by clicking on the right click of your mouse and dragging it to the desired cell locations you want. So this entire highlighted area is called the range of that particular cell. This was all about rows, columns and cell ranges in Excel.
See it in my eyes, that girl, you've got me hypnotized. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours.